Welcome back to Just Cook Damn It. Join me today while I make some fried shrimp with jumbo lump crab sauce over cheese grits. Let's get started. Make sure your stove is on a medium-high heat. You want to add in 2 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of whole milk, and then when you see it starting to bubble up, you want to add in 1 cup of old-fashioned grits. Give that a nice stir. Bring that to a boil and let that cook for about 15 minutes. Then you want to take the lid off, add in 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of butter, unsalted, add in a 1/2 cup of mild cheese, cheddar cheese, 1/4 cups of Gouda cheese. Put that to the back on low heat. On a pan, you want to put some olive oil and sear a 1/2 cup of red peppers, a 1/2 cup of green peppers, 1/4 cup of minced scallions, and of course some garlic and some salt, some pepper. Cook that down. Add in a 1/2 tablespoon of butter. Add in 2 cups of heavy cream. Dried oregano, about 1 teaspoon. Paprika, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Let that simmer. Now with the crab sauce simmering, you want to go ahead and add in your crab meat, about 8 ounces. I use 16 ounces. While simmering, you want to move on to your fried shrimp. Now off camera, what I did is I created a batter. The batter consists of buttermilk and fried seafood batter. Now you take the batter, shrimp, and you place it into the dry mix of the seafood batter so you can fry up the shrimp. This is what your plate's going to look like. You get your spoon and enjoy. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. God bless.